How to add discount code on Shein app. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can add a discount code on Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to add a discount code on the Shein app, all you have to do is first of all launch the Shein app here. Then just go to your cart from the bottom right, and then assuming you've already done this, right? So I'm assuming you've already added the products to your cart. You want to simply go to the checkout page. Under the checkout page, make sure to enter your shipping method, and under payment method, you'll find a section where it says apply voucher. So if you have any type of voucher or coupon codes or discount or promo codes, you can simply tap on the apply button here. Make sure to enter the available coupon codes. So you can see the available and the not available. So you can see under the available, you have 15% off, free shipping, or 15% off. You can only apply one per specific order. Once you apply it, just tap the continue button like this, and then once you tap on continue button, you can see my Shein app's discount code has been applied, and I have gotten up to $3 discount minus 2.98, so that's up on $3, let's say. And then that's it for this video on how I can add a discount code on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.